What's up, guys? Woke up, it's about 8 o'clock right now. I'm about to go check out my truck. I need to fix a little fuse in there. The blinker's messing up a little bit. But I'm gonna start doing some more posts about I'm gonna do some posts about my truck and workout videos again. So basically right now I can't drive the truck because I don't got my license, but I got my permit 4 more months. Hopefully I can get it. So yeah, just flip on the truck real quick right here. Save the beast. This is the interior. It's pretty nice interior. That's the horn, because this horn don't work on there. The dash center console needs a fix. Gonna get a new one of those. It's broken. I'll pull up. Other than that, I mean, that's all to see. You got custom seats. It's got some jumper cables, oil back there, all that good stuff. Everything's pretty simple. Single cab. Got the step side. We got a crack right there. Got the Regency logo. Got another crack on this side. Got to fix this. This is the main side. Really need to fix because you got the crack. You got scratches. Missing the bed part, and then you got this down here. Missing that. Now I'm gonna fix this mirror. Video of my truck of how it used to look before, and I haven't made an after video, but that's something that I plan on doing in the next couple of days or 2 if I'm gonna be home, because you already know Thanksgiving is Thursday. We about to feast out there, you know what I mean? And yeah, I'm just excited about this video. I'm gonna post it right now, and stay tuned for part 2.